welcome to Rev Dynamics. Today is an exciting day. We've got a brand spanking new Jeep Gladiator right here from the dealership to turn to. We specialize in air ride, custom wheels, and powder coating, and I purchased this Jeep for the shop to take to events and show off the quality of our work this year. The Gladiator has been in storage patiently waiting for us to finish a few customer builds for way too long, and I am dying to get on it. I'm a huge fan of air rides, so the first thing we're gonna be doing is the Accuair full suspension system. Once we get that on, then we can figure out our tire and wheel fitment, and then it's gonna be the Rockford Fosgate series system in that top box, and a bunch of accessories after that. I'm really excited to fire up our YouTube channel again and get this project series going. If any of you watching have any questions on what we're doing or the products we're using, feel free to drop a comment below or send us a message. We got nice weather right around the corner, and our first show is coming up fast, so we don't have any time to waste. I hope you guys enjoy the build. All right, we've got the full Accuair kit unboxed to the Jeep, and we're moments away from being able to put it on. I want to show you guys a couple components before we do that. Just give a quick overview of what's in the kit after we've unboxed it. So we've got the front control arms, we've got the adjustable track bar, upper and lower control arms for the rear, sway bar end links for the front and the rear, the bags, which I'm really happy with the quality of these. They feel solid. They got some weight to them. Looks like everything's just, it's all billet, really good quality on there. So that's the heart of the kit. We've got a seamless air tank, which is nice because there's no welds on that. So that's just less potential leaks. We use those in our slingshot kits, and the quality is really good. We haven't had any issues with them at all. It's got an automatic drain on there, which is nice because that's just one less thing you have to worry about, you know, with maintenance. It just does its own thing. So you get a lot of people that forget that they need to do that, and we'll let water sit in there. And if you're gonna run your Jeep through the winter especially, you wanna make sure that that's clean, but that's the nice thing about it being auto. You don't have to worry about it. The valve body is mounted upside down here. So that's what controls the air going in and out of all the bags. The shocks, we've got the airlines, and that's where the reliability of the kit comes in. If you run your airlines nice, you shouldn't have any issues with this. It's the same with the slingshots that we do. You don't want to run it by heat. You don't want anything rubbing on it. They're really good. It looks like in the instructions they show you where the best places to put all the airlines are. Front row there, we've got the communication link between the ECU and the Jeep, and that will tell it speed and different things like that for the control system. Touchpad up there, the height sensors, which will give a physical measurement of all the suspension on the Jeep, and then you're not guessing by air pressure. So it's a lot more accurate if you have those, and that's a nice thing that they're all bolt-on because you don't have to figure out the geometry. That'd be the hard part of the kit. So hose cutter, zip ties, looks like everything's here. They even include some leak detector, which is nice. We usually use soapy water for that, which works great. Just another nice touch because it's not something you have to do. It just comes with everything. And you'd expect that. It's a really, it's not a cheap kit to do, and to have the extras like that is a nice touch. So I'm really excited to get going on this, and we're all ready to install now. We'll start ripping some components off the Jeep and putting in the new stuff. All right, our wheels are on, and then we are set at ride height right now. She's looking really good. I've got everything off camera, torque to spec, leak checked, measured for the wheel fitment that we're gonna do next. That will be in the next video, showing the whole powder coat process and what we're gonna do with the wheels and tires. After that will be stereo, and then a bunch of other stuff that I ordered that is also gonna be in this week that I will unveil in a future video. But like, share, subscribe. If you guys have any comments or messages, any questions you got that we can answer, just let me know. And I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.